wonderful day. So I'm welcoming you to the another video. So I am doing the businesses I am doing right now. Online business I am doing right now is first is KDP and second is I am trading. I am in trading. I trade gold. I have a very high accuracy in trading gold. I am trading forex market from last 1.5 year. If you are someone who is new to the trading, you want to learn how I trade, my strategies, I have a very high accuracy. So do let me know in the comments. I will try to make a video on this. So let's get back to the topic. So what is the today's topic? Today's topic is how to make passive income with KDP. Is KDP a passive income stream business or not? Let me just use an eraser. Oh, sorry, I just so sorry. How to make passive income with KDP? Why I am talking about passive income? First of all, let's just go. Is it a passive income business? Is KDP a passive business income or passive income business or not? So I will tell you this by giving some example. Let's suppose you are someone who is new to this business and came in this business and uploaded 100 books in your first year or in your first 3 months. Let's suppose you uploaded first 100 books in your first 6 months. 100 book in 6 months. So when you are uploading 100 books 6 months, that means you do your nice niche research, keyword research, you did your cover well, you uploaded it well, you didn't cut any corners, you are just sticking to the KDP guidelines. So if you uploaded 100 books and you are running ads in all of these 100 books, so what will happen? Let's suppose you are not uploading any other books right now and you will not upload. Let's suppose you are not going to upload any book. So what you are doing, you are just running ads in all these 100 books. Let's suppose this 100 books you are running. Let's suppose one book you are running 2 ads. One is manual, one is let's suppose you are for one book you are running 3 ads. One is automatic ad, second is manual ad, third is manual product targeting ad. So what your total ads will be 300, and managing 300 ads is not that much tough because you are not gonna make any new books. So you have a lot of time and you have the only work you have to do is managing your ads. So when you upload 100 books, you have a very big catalog. Now what you have to do? Just you have to come in the evening and just try to adjust the bids. You have to just try to adjust the bid. If any bids is giving you sale, let them running. Otherwise, if it is spent a lot, just increase your bids. This is as simple as that. You have to just reduce your bid, optimize your ads according to how its performance. So you have to come to every evening. If you are doing it on a regular basis, I am not doing it on a regular basis. I will do it on 3 to 4 days. So if you are someone who wants a very high ACOS and very nice ACOS, what you have to do is monitor them at a regular basis, on daily basis. So what you will do, you will just come and optimize it and you will get sale. Eventually it is a passive income because you are not doing anything. You are just coming in the evening and optimizing ad if you are good at ads. So it's not going to happen from day one. You have to upload a lot of books and know how ads work. Let's suppose you just put your heart and soul on this business for 6 months. I bet you're gonna make it passive income. I am doing it and you can do it too. I didn't upload any book from last 3 to 4 months and I'm not gonna upload any book because I'm just focusing on running more and more ads. So you are saying if you run ads, the book become outdated and no one will buy. No man, this is not gonna work that way. When a book are having a lot of reviews, and what Amazon will do, Amazon will rank your book very high. When Amazon will rank your book very high, it's not gonna be outdated. Customer will come and buy your book, eventually buying and your book gonna rank very high on Amazon bookstore. What you have to do, just run ads, nothing else. So yes, this is a proper passive income business. When I'm doing only KDP, I have an ample amount of time. I have a lot of time to do others. That's why I started trading. I'm in real estate too. I have a lot of time. If I'm trading, I still have a lot of time. What we have to do in trading, we just place your order, we just buy and wait for our TPs or SL. This is how it works. So you have a lot of time if you're doing an online business. It's not something which you have to do just look at the screen for 24 hours. No, you are not gonna do that. It's a passive income. Just sit on your sofa and relax. Just come in the evening. If you are someone who see your ads on a daily basis, otherwise you can optimize them in 3 to 4 days or in a week. So when you take more time to optimize it, you will have a more data. So do whatever suits to you. It's nothing which is a hard and stick rule. It's a trial and error. Just do whatever work for you. Just is it you have to just do whatever works for you. So I hope you get what I'm saying about passive income. It's 100% passive income business. If you are someone who is not doing any kind of book publishing on KDP, please come and do it. Just give your 6 months and learn things how it works, and you will gonna make a passive income stream, and you will make a lot of money from it without working an hour. You will make a very nice amount of money. And the sky is the limit. You can make whatever you want. The sky, we are somewhere here, and where are best sellers, they are here. We have ample amount of distance. Sky is the limit. You can make, I know a lot of, I just saw some of interviews that people are making 100k a month from and they are individual, not a registered company. There are some registered company who are making millions of dollars in every month. So take it as a long-term business. It's a passive income. 100% is a passive income. So I hope you get my point, and thanks for watching. If you are someone who is new, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down if you have any question, and if you have any suggestion for the videos, comment down. I will try to make a video on that. So thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. Over and out.